I'm going to present an alternative method to repairing your fence. So two of the posts just broke and we took the side panels out, and then instead of bothering with the concrete, we just used an auger bit to get rid of all the wood that got inside. So you can see there, you really need to work at it, probably I would say a couple hours to get it out. So I used an 18-inch auger bit and just drilling through the sides, the corners, trying to get it out, trying to use the pry bar and just try to get on the sides so that you can loosen the sides as much as possible and drill, I would say, a good 6 inches or more. Keep drilling until you get a stump at the bottom that you can pry out. Even if you don't manage to do that, just keep drilling until you get to the bottom of the concrete. It's a lot easier than trying to remove the entire concrete block, because sometimes what they do is they just pour the concrete after the post and it's just an amorphous mass of concrete that you would have a really hard time digging out, because you have to dig a really big hole around it, and then it's so heavy to get it out that you're gonna struggle a long time just to get it out. It's in my opinion a lot easier just to take the time to drill it out, just piece by piece. You see all the pieces and chunks of wood that we got out, and we used several tools. We used chisels and pry bars, and at the end what I did, I used this long set of pliers to get a hold of it and just start pulling. Once you get a good grip of it, and if it's a short stump, what you get is you're gonna be able to pull it out entirely from the bottom. But like I said, you need to drill and chip just at least 6 inches of it so that you can get the other part out. And this is the stump of wood that I managed to get out. Like I said, you can, if you're patient enough, you can drill it out, but if you manage to chip out a good portion of it, all you have to do is get pliers long enough to catch it and grab it, and then you just pull it out, and it saves quite a bit of time if you manage to do that. I measured the depth of the hole that I have in the concrete, and I'm shaving off that length plus a couple inches on the post so that it can go in, and also to compensate for the angles that I'm gonna put in. I put some sand to fill the gap, because it's important to keep the water from coming in. So I filled the gap as best I could with sand, and then some fine gravel on top. And after that I put some epoxy paint on top. I'm gonna let it soak and maybe apply a second coat after. And after that it should be done. You can see the two angles that I put in, and I'm gonna screw them to the wood, and after that I should be able to put the panels back on.